All right, man. My ride's looking pretty nice now, isn't it? Got the shocks in the back. I got the Shinko 244s on. I got that 203 massive rotor up front. I moved the 180 to the back. You can actually notice that there's a brake rotor in the back now where you really couldn't before. All right, so we got 2 mods in 2 minutes. Let's get to it. Do you notice anything? It's a little subtle, but I dropped the front headlight down about 1.5 inches, maybe 2 inches. And what that does is it allows you to have better cable management coming off the handlebars, and it hides a little bit of the bird's nest between the headlight and the front headset. All you're gonna need for this mod is your 5mm hex tool from Juiced. You got 2 bolts over here, and the same 2 on the other side, and this thing will slide up or down to your liking. Be original, customize it. If you're wondering what mine is adjusted to, I'm at 3.5 inches from the bottom of the top tree to the top of the rubber on there. And I know I've dropped it down at least 1.75 inches. Next tip, I see a lot of photos of your juice bikes, and I watch all the videos. How many of y'all know what this is for? That's your rubber bumper for your steering lock to lock. You got one on both sides. Most of y'all's are not adjusted, or you got cables or something in the way, or they're pointing in all different kinds of directions. Well, let me show you how to fix that. All you're gonna need is some super glue. Move the bumper down 1/2 inch. Take a little dab of the super glue right there up against the frame. You don't need much. Bring it back up, double check your connection. You're done. All right, man, that's it. I'm out of here. See ya.